I want to know what exactly how you started. Like, I know you since college.
Yeah,
First, you are my senior,
yeah.
and I wanted to know, like, after college, how did you progress and thought ki bhai filmmaking karenge?
Huh.
That is something I think everybody, like every college student who wants to do the thing you do right now,
Yeah.
uh, they want to know more about it. So tell me about how did you start?
You just made me feel like, oh my god, I'm so cool.
No, I just said you are too old.
Oh fuck.
No, kidding. But yeah, but you're
Uh
senior. You have a lot of experience, and somebody with your experience can actually guide people around. So over to you.
okay, so do you want me to talk about college or you don't want me to talk about college, or it's like, oh Kranti.
You can talk about college because I missed college. So yeah, you can talk about college.
So until last year of college मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं प्रोड्यूसर बनने वाली हूँ या फिर I'm going to go into filmmaking. I was prepping for UPSC and I gave my attempt, but I was also talking to one of our college professor, like, so what do I do? And he was like, I think you're good in production. Why don't you try film production? And that was like a shocker for me as well. That मैं जा पाऊंगी. It's for cool people. Am I cool? Because I was an introvert in college. And yeah, I mean, I just left that room, and then there was one poster which said Prahlad Kakkar School of Branding and Ad Filmmaking.
Oh,
As like
correct.
I joined that college because it had horse riding, scuba diving, skydiving, uh, and then filmmaking just happened, to be honest. But then I I started to work as a DA along with my college course. So I used to DA's director's associate. So I
Hmm.
used to intern somewhere, and like I used to help that director with referencing, finding. I don't know if referencing would be a word like that I need to make people understand.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. But
I used to do referencing, then art referencing, do casting, do art direction. Then I realized that this is more into creative stuff, and I think I should go into production because I love management.
correct.
And then I did like a reality show. I was there for like 2 episodes,
Okay.
and
And
then I
which
left.
reality show it is?
India's Next Top Model.
Oh,
Yeah. So I did
sweet.
like 2 episodes as an intern.
Which year this was? 2000?
2017 or 18 types.
Oh, damn. Interesting.
So yeah, I worked as an intern just for like 2 episodes, and then I left because I thought advertising is what uh
Interests
I
you more.
yeah.
But crazy, like from moving out of college just because your professor said
Yeah,
that was, and you were prepping for UPSC,
exactly.
and you moved away to totally opposite thing, which is not something very sustainable. I still feel film production being in a unit is
Yeah,
not something people with having a behavior like introvert can sustain. So
exactly.
it must be very difficult for you.
It was very difficult. Like being on set, there are 2,000 people, there are hundreds of people.
Correct.
And initially, I was like, how do I socialize? What do I talk? Because people used to talk about random things, and I was like, मैं नहीं बात कर सकती हूँ random चीज़ों के बारे में. What do I talk to them? How do I start a conversation? But little by little, because I was blessed with like amazing bosses,
Hmm.
they have helped me a lot to develop my skills, and they've helped me, like they used to push me, like ja ye kar wo kar. And I think that has helped me a lot. And now I think I no more call myself an introvert, but I call myself as selectively social.